Hey guys, it's Mark Ling here, and now we're going to be having a look at setting up your business manager. So what you need to do is just head on over to business.facebook.com/overview. So that's business.facebook.com/overview. And the reason why you'll be setting up a business manager account is it operates a little bit differently than a personal account. Now, with a personal account, it's just you and your normal ID, and you can start running ads straight from your personal account, which is what a lot of people do, but it can get a bit messy in some ways. Like for a starter, you just get the one ad account underneath it. Secondly, if things go wrong, could potentially, it's unlikely, but it could potentially affect your personal account and getting to log into there and stuff like that, and it's just not ideal. And then I've tended to notice also that ad costs tend to be not the same. They tend to be able to do things better and easier with the business manager stuff. So I would highly recommend setting up the business manager for a lot of reasons. Like a boosted post on your, through your personal page doesn't seem to go as well as through just doing things right through the business manager. It might just be that I've done things a bit more messily when done through the personal account, but I must say that the business manager is a lot safer because you can have multiple ad accounts. If one account for some reason gets kicked out of Facebook, doesn't matter, you've still got the other ad accounts within that account. So there's a lot of benefits, and you can have two business managers, so that's good as well. So what I recommend you do is you just head on over and you click on the create account button. I've already got mine set up, so I won't be able to set up another one because I've already got two, but I will say you just click the create account button and you fill out the details. So in my case, if I click it, it's obviously I could theoretically start filling that out, but it is very, very straightforward, so I won't do that right in front of you. So what I'll say is you fill out these particular details, and then you go ahead and you log into the business manager, and you'll add your just click on over to add your credit or your debit card. All right, so you add that, and then make sure that you set it as primary. All right, and then what I want you to do is go ahead and set up your next business manager by coming back to this page and clicking create account and going ahead and doing it again. If that for whatever reason doesn't work, don't worry. One business manager is enough for the short term, but having two of them, it's just protection for the long term if anything weird happens, because sometimes even when you do everything right, Facebook will deny an ad or an ad account, and it's a system where they've got not enough staff for all the advertisers, and sometimes things can go wrong, and it's easier if you've got multiple accounts just in case you can switch over to the next one. I'm certainly not teaching any black hat strategies here or anything like that. That's not my style, but I am teaching you methods that work really, really well, and are going to set you off for a likely good start when it comes to ads and so forth on Facebook. So anyway, what I want you to do is set up your two business managers, and then within each business manager you are allowed to have up to 5 ad accounts. Now I have seen sometimes it only lets people have one, and it won't let you have another 4 more ad accounts until you've spent a little bit of money on ads. If that happens to you, don't worry, just stick with your one account. That's all you need. But if you can have all 5, then set them all up. Just set them all up, even with nothing in them. Just get them there and opened and ready to go, because that way it's unlikely that they ever get removed off you later for any given reason. It's good just to do that. It's a good practice. Okay, that brings us to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.